Groovy, the groove of English language. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of English slang and uncovering the meaning and history of the word groovy. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or old TV shows, and today, we'll decode it for you. Let's start from the beginning. The term groovy has its roots in the music world. Originally, it referred to a record groove, those spiral patterns you see on vinyl records. But over time, its meaning evolved. By the 1960s, especially during the rise of the hippie movement, groovy began to signify something that was cool, trendy, or excellent. Wondering how to use groovy in a sentence? Let's explore. 1. Music context. That new song has a groovy beat. Here, groovy describes a catchy and enjoyable rhythm. 2. Fashion context. You look groovy in those vintage sunglasses. In this example, groovy is used to compliment someone's stylish appearance. 3. General praise. Your idea for the project is totally groovy. This implies the idea is excellent or cool. Remember, while groovy is still understood by many, it's considered a bit retro. Using it today gives a vintage or playful vibe to your sentence. If you want to diversify your vocabulary, here are some synonyms that you can use instead of groovy. Cool, probably the most commonly used synonym. That's a cool jacket. Rad, short for radical. It became popular in the 1980s and 1990s. That skateboard trick was rad. Awesome expresses admiration or approval. The concert was awesome. However, note that while all these words can mean something similar to groovy, the exact nuance can vary based on the context and the region. There you have it. From record grooves to a hallmark phrase of the 60s, groovy has had a fascinating journey in the English language. Whether you decide to sprinkle it into your conversations for a retro flair or just understand its origins better, we hope you found this exploration groovy. Keep rocking the English language, and we'll catch you in the next video.